Hello students, welcome to Guru Kripa coaching classes.
Students, today I will explain you doubts of 3.3 and 3.4. These are the doubts of my son, and if you have any doubts also, you can send me on my personal number or in the WhatsApp group. Now I start the doubts. 3.3 exercise, question number 3rd, doubt number 6th, part 6th. Question number 3rd is form the pair of linear equations for the following problems. Equations बनानी है, then find their solution by substitution method. Substitution method से इसका solution find करना है. Question number 6 is here. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Means after 5 years, Jacob की age उसके son की age का 3 times है. And 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 5 साल पहले जैकब की एज उसके सन की एज से 7 टाइम्स थी. What was their present age? तो हमें इसमें स्टार्टिंग कहाँ से करनी है, जो चीज़ हमें फाइंड करनी है. एग्जाम्पल पार्ट 6 इज लेट प्रेजेंट एज ऑफ सन इज इक्वल टू
X
years and present age of Jacob is equal to y years. Now 5 years hence means 5 साल बाद एज ऑफ सन क्या हो जाएगी. सन की एज थी प्रेजेंट x, उसमें 5 प्लस कर देंगे, दैट इज़ 5 years hence एज x plus 5 years. And what will be age of जैकब की एज y थी, y में 5 प्लस कर देंगे, दैट वन विल बी y plus 5. अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन इक्वेशन क्या बनेगी, एक तरफ हमें रखनी है सन की एज, एक तरफ रखनी है जैकब की एज. अब दोनों को इक्वेट करने के लिए जिसकी एज छोटी है उसके साथ हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. उल्टी नहीं होगी. नाउ सन की एज छोटी है तो इसका 3 टाइम्स एडजस्ट करेंगे, मीन्स के 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई एक्स प्लस 5. सन की एज को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई किया, दैट वन विल बी इक्वल टू जैकब्स एज. इट इज़ इक्वल टू नाउ 3x plus 15 is equal to y plus 5, and this is 3x plus 15, and this 5 on the left side will be minus 5 is equal to y. Now we can adjust it according to substitution method. 3x plus 10 is equal to y. तो ये वैल्यू हम जो है दूसरी इक्वेशन एडजस्ट करेंगे, उसमें y की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. We have to solve this question by substitution method, so it will be value of y. Now second 5 years ago, 5 साल पहले एज ऑफ सन क्या थी, x माइनस 5. जो एज ऑफ सन या जैकब लेनी है वो हमने प्रेजेंट एज के अकॉर्डिंग ही लेनी है. ये नहीं कि x प्लस 5 में से 5 माइनस कर देंगे, दैट वन विल बी रॉन्ग. प्रेजेंट एज में से ही माइनस करेंगे. देन वी हैव टू एडजस्ट हेयर एज ऑफ जैकब, दैट इज y माइनस 5 years. Similarly we have to adjust here one side x minus 5 and one side y minus 5. They said that Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Son की एज का 7 टाइम is Jacob की एज. Now we have to adjust it. 7x minus 35 is equal to y minus 5, and this 35 on the right will be 7x, and this y on the left will be negative y is equal to minus 5 plus 35, that is 7x minus y is equal to 30, and we have to put this value of y in this equation. Let this is equation number 2nd and this is the equation number 1st. Now we have to adjust here 7x minus y. Y is here. We have to adjust it in bracket because outer side is negative. Outer sign negative है तो इंटीरियर वैल्यू को पहले ब्रैकेट में रखेंगे फिर साइन ओपन करेंगे, इज इक्वल टू 30. Now it will be 7x minus 3x minus 10, open the bracket, is equal to 30, and this 10 on the right will be 7x minus 3x is equal to 30 plus 10, that is 4x is equal to 40, and x is equal to 40 by 4, that is 10. So we have to adjust here, 3 into 10 plus 10 is equal to y, that is 30 plus 10 is equal to y, that is y is equal to 40 years, and means age of son is equal to 10 years, and present age of Jacob is equal to 40 years. It will be the answer, both of these. Now I explain you question number exercise 3.4, question number second, first part. Here the question is, form the pair of linear equation in the following problems, find the solution if they exist. अगर उनका कोई solution है then we have to find it by elimination method. Means maybe in some cases it can be no solution or infinitely many solutions. अगर infinitely many solutions या no solution आता है, no need to solve. If there is unique solution then we have to solve. Now the question number part first is, if we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator, a fraction reduces to 1. It becomes 1 by 2 if we only add 1 to denominator. मतलब सिर्फ denominator में ऐड करना, न्यूमरेटर में ऐड नहीं करेंगे कुछ भी. सेकेंड केस में what is the fraction, हमें fraction find करनी है. Here is the question 3.4 exercise, question number second का first part. We have to find fraction, so let the fraction is equal to x by y. Now according to first condition, if we add 1 to numerator, that means according to question x plus 1, and subtract 1 from denominator, y minus 1, fraction is reduces to means equal to what, 1. Now we can cross multiply these. This is x plus 1 is equal to y minus 1, and we have to solve it by elimination method, both the variables on the one side and the other term in the right side. Minus 1 and this 1 on the right, minus 1. This will be x minus y is equal to minus 2. This is the question number first. Now if we only add, according to second condition, add 1 in denominator also, x is single here, y plus 1 is equal to, the fraction becomes 1 by 2. Now we have to cross multiply this, that is 2x is equal to y plus 1. 2x and y on left side is minus y is equal to 1. This is question number second. Now from first and second, in both the equation there is single term y, so we don't have to multiply any of the equations, we can solve it directly. That is x minus y is equal to minus 2, 2x minus y is equal to 1. Is there any need to change signs? We have to eliminate y. Both the y terms are negative, so we have to change the signs. अगर एक पॉजिटिव होता एक नेगेटिव होता तो डायरेक्टली सॉल्व कर देते, फिर साइन चेंज नहीं करने थे, और साइन चेंज करने हैं तो ऑल ऑफ द टर्म्स वी हैव टू चेंज. नाउ इट्स वैल्यू विल बी, इट कैन बी कैंसल्ड. x minus 2x is equal to, means 1 minus 2 minus x is equal to minus 2 minus 1
minus 3.
Minus 3, it can be positive, so x is equal to 3, and here I will solve it. From first it will be x minus y is equal to minus 2, that means 3 minus y is equal to minus 2, and this 2 on the left and y on the right. 3 plus 2 is equal to positive y, that means y is equal to 5. Now fraction is, we have to find here fraction is equal to x by y, x means 3 by y means 5. This is the answer. Clear? Is there any doubt? Now question number 5.